private event. Look at those. What in the world? We literally just spent the last like 30 minutes trying to connect our car doors and it didn't work. 2 people would connect and then the third one can't connect. The other 2 people connect and the third one doesn't connect again. It's so weird. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Ah, what? What? Wait, how do I hear you now? You can't hear us? Yeah. Wait, I can hear someone. Wait. Hey, we're all connected. I'm filming a video. People are probably like, what the f. Oh, why am I still talking like a caveman? I forgot that we're connected. Forget about it, we can't hear at all. Wait, did we lose one of our friends? I wonder where we lost him. Get it, R6! We'll send him the address as soon as we get here. Wow, then. Yo, G, where are we going? I'm waiting for him. I don't know either. Oh, right. Go. What the hell? He's saying it's somewhere over here. Do you not hear us anymore? Yeah. That's nice. It's weird, but it's nice. Gun it! Private event. Look at those. even know what happened, but check out some of the cars. Oh wait, how am I gonna go through all this? Yeah, we're gonna have to turn around here and go from here. I don't want to go through all the people, so damn, a lot of decent cars. Last minute meet, but we made it. Still limping, but we made it. Not bad. Still limping, not supposed to be walking, but we're here. Can't walk, but I can ride. No, I can walk now. I can wobble. But we lost one of our friends, so just give me a sec. Let me text him, make sure he's okay, if he knows where he's going and all.
How's it going, man? How are you?
Oh, there he is. Just making sure he's good.
It's Kay, it's Lawrence. What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
Lawrence.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Were you on the M? R1M?
Yeah.
That's it. He's got an R1M. I just got a B4. H2.
Nice. I'm gonna walk around, check out some of the cars.
Yeah.
That's clean. It's actually a lot of nice cars. I did not expect this. What's up, man?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Still hurting?
Yeah. Not supposed to be walking, but it's all good. Yeah. Yeah, this seems lit. I should have brought one of the nicer bikes, but it's okay.
It's an R1M. What do you
It's okay. So,
Yeah, go ahead. Go do
awesome. Sounds good. Thank you, bro. Since I couldn't ride through here, well, I don't want to be going in between everyone. That would be fun. You guys would like that. Just rev bomb in the middle of literally everyone. Holy. This is the... Yup. Oh my god. This is an insane 2JZ Lambo. I gotta show you guys. What in the world? It's wild. Oof. STO's clean. Oh my god. Clean. Rev it. Come on, let's hear that V12. Question, this one or Carrera GT? There's more cars up front. Yes, I'm alive. I'm back. How you doing, bro?
Homeboy is sick. Off the exit, I was like, I'm gonna learn how to do it really hard.
Oh, that white Huracan. It was nice. We made it. I've been out riding all day today with this, feeling better, so I feel like I can do that. I'll keep you guys posted, or when we leave, probably should be fun. But for now, thank you for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe, and I will either continue or catch you guys in the next video. Bye. What is going on? Homie was doing a rolling burnout with slicks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.